Welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Quinoa is one of the world's most popular health foods today. It is gluten-free, high in quality protein, contains all the essential vitamins and minerals. Need we say any more? Hence, we are going to replace the starchy carb rice grain with the high protein seed, quinoa. Yes, revelation, quinoa is not a grain, it's a seed. Today we're going to make Quinoa Khichdi, and I've made it before and it tastes fab. So shuru kare? We first soaked our cup of quinoa and moong dal, half a cup. और इसे क्या किया है मैंने, we've got it pressure cooked, 4 सीटी जितना, and we've cooked it with a veg stock cube. Alright, so this is how it looks. So the consistency that you need is like this because it is a khichdi at the end of it all. And what you must remember is when you're cooking quinoa and dal together, you need to add the right amount of water. So because we've got around a cup and a half of the quinoa and the dal, you need around 3.5 cups of water. Alright? मैं तो घी का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. अगर आपको तेल में छौंक देना है, it's really left to your discretion, but a good khichdi needs ghee. So a teaspoon of ghee, half a teaspoon of rye, half teaspoon of jeera, a pinch of hing, curry leaves, ginger, garlic. So I prefer to use freshly grated or cut garlic and ginger for tempering. उसका स्वाद ही कुछ और होता है. In goes our onion, finely chopped. This is 1 medium-sized onion. Now we add in our vegetables. French beans, जो already हमने steam किए हुए हैं. Cauliflower, carrot, peas, ¾ teaspoon of turmeric, ¾ teaspoon of chili powder, add in your salt, now we can add in our dal and quinoa mixture. Always check and see if it requires more salt. I'm using the tomatoes only for the garnish, just to add a bit of color. Coriander. I've just got some fried chilies in ghee. My mum loves it like this. So we're done. Oh my god, and this smells so delectable. Oh, I'm salivating. This quinoa khichdi will become your favorite once you try it. It's so simple, quick and extremely healthy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And did I mention that this amazing recipe is a part of the daily diet plan on the Shilpa Shetty app? So if you haven't already, then please do download the Shilpa Shetty app now. Tab tak ke liye, swasth raho, mast raho.